started working out in life. That's all. These guys, we just started working out in life. That's all. Nike. Nike is again a Shih Tzu. He's fun. He's a cutie patootie. I'm missing him now, and I'm seeing all these guys. Nike. I don't know now. I'm sure I'm reaching tonight, so I'm sure he'll get all this smell, and I think he's gonna be jealous. I've always been a vegetarian. Yeah. My director, my mind is like all over the place. Okay, Nagesh sir, it was so much fun working with him. He's a very different personality, different kind of work. He never let me watch the monitor after every shot, and God, after every shot, and so that's something new that I learned from him. The first day I went behind the monitor and I was trying to see. He was like, "Well, why do you want to see the monitor?" I was like, "Because I want to see the hair and makeup." So he was like, "If everyone's seeing your hair and makeup, then I mean, they should look at you, right?" I was like, "Okay, yeah, true that." So I thought it makes sense for at least this film, and he is very different. I learned a lot of things from him. So yeah. Yeah, I guess so. I don't think even Nike is peed on me. Like on me, yeah. No, I don't think so. How can you? I mean, they're all lovely. I have a Shih Tzu. Doesn't mean I like only Shih Tzu. I love everyone. But I like small dogs because I live in an apartment, and for me it's easy to handle small dogs. My sister has a lab. I love him too. But I love all dogs. I mean, they all have they all love everyone. So I mean, I don't know. What animal can we? Maybe a cat, kitty. I had birds long back. Yeah, I had birds. I named them Humpty Dumpty. Yeah. Yeah, I had birds. I love birds. Yeah. I never say that. I never say I'm lucky. I told you, right? I feel if something is good, I feel I'm blessed. And the movie at the end of the day is about not believing in luck. So yeah. No, I mean, no, no. Like if you ask me like tiger or lion, yeah, but like everyone. Positive people, like I love positive people, and I love people who can talk and interact. Unlike people who are very moody or not very friendly. Yeah. My favorite dessert. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I like Indian hot sweets. I like boba too. I don't know. Maybe look at my phone for a while and then I get to sleep. Yep. Or I put some sleep music on. Craziest is when you see people with tattoos and things like that. Weirdest? I don't think I've come across any weird. He's biting. He's been biting from the beginning. So okay, Simba. Okay, Lavangam. KD. KD fellow. KD. He's the one who peed on me, no? Snowy. It's nice and white. Snowy. You're so quiety. What do we name it? What do you name it? He looks like that Bourbon biscuit.